Welcome to our favorite channel, UN College Digital Class. Today we are going to discuss an interesting chapter that is called set. Set is common to any courses, just like algebra, also in plus 2 elements of mathematics. Now we are going to discuss about set. What is set? Set is nothing but the group of objects. So definition of set is the collection of well defined objects. That means the synonym of a set is like a dozen of bananas. So that means 12 bananas. So family is also called as set. Family means the number of persons are in a group. So set. There are so many sets are there. For example, the first one is set of natural numbers. The set of natural numbers. Set of natural numbers. So what are the natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So these are called natural numbers. Any set can be represented as the capital letters of an English alphabet. So that is another set, that is W, and set of whole numbers. Set of whole numbers. So what is whole number? The natural number with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Some authors are also represented as n star. N star also called as set of whole numbers. So these are sets. Another set is Z. So what is Z? The set of integers. Set of integers. Now what are the integers? All the positive natural numbers, negative natural numbers and 0 are called as integers. That means 0, plus 1 minus 1, or plus 2 minus 2, plus 3 minus 3, etc. These are called integers. Next we discuss about the set of rational numbers, Q. The set of rational numbers. Set of rational numbers. We cannot list the set of rational numbers. For example, we can write also all the integers, that means 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 3, all the integers, and all the fractions are there, half, 1 by 3, also 2 by 3, like this. We cannot properly list the rational numbers. So rational number also written as another method, that is P by Q, so that P, Q are both integers, but Q is non-zero. Q is non-zero. That means a set can be represented as in two defining property. A set has two defining property. So what are the defining property? One is list form. List form. Another is set builder form. Set builder form. That means a set can be represented as in two different ways. One is list form, these are list form. and another form is set builder form. Also synonym of list form is tabular form, and also extension form. Set builder form is intention form, also called as set builder form, also called as intention form. Another name is specification form. So a set can be represented as in two different form or two different method. These two methods also called as a defining property. That means a set can be defined in two different property. The first one is tabular form, second one is set builder form. Here the set of rational numbers cannot be written in the list form or cannot be expressed in the list form. So it is already written in set builder form, that means intention form. So here P and Q are both integers, but the denominator Q is non-zero. When denominator is 0, so it cannot be exist. So the denominator must be non-zero. Any, for example, suppose 2 is also called as rational number. 2 also written as 2 by 1, also 4 by 2 by 1, also 4 by 2. That means any number can be represented as P by Q form called as rational numbers. What are P and Q? Now P and Q are integers, but Q is non-zero. Next we discuss about the irrational numbers. Q complement or Q dash, Q prime, or a set of irrational numbers. So what are the irrational numbers? Plus minus root 2, plus minus root 3, plus minus root 5. These are called irrational numbers. The set of irrational numbers is represented as Q complement or Q prime. So another sets are there, that is set of real numbers, R. Set of real numbers. Set of real numbers. So what are the real numbers? Like rational numbers, the real numbers cannot be expressed in list form. So the set of real numbers is the union of rational numbers and also irrational numbers. The collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers called as real numbers. For understanding all the rational numbers, that means all the integers 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, all the integers, all the fractions, plus minus 1 by 2, plus minus 1 by 3, plus minus 4 by 5, and all the irrational numbers, plus minus root 2, plus minus root 3, plus minus root 5, these are called real numbers. In figure, a real number can be represented as a line. In graph, we take, this is suppose x axis, the horizontal line called as x axis. This x axis is represented for set of real numbers, That means the middle point is 0. So 0 is a point. In this x axis and this line, 0 is a point. 1 also point, 2 also point. There are discontinued point. The set of natural numbers point. Also set of integers are also point. 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. There are infinite numbers, but all the element of integers is a point. Set of rational numbers, that means there are infinite number of elements between 1 and 2, 0 and 1, or infinite many numbers are there. Some numbers are rationals. Suppose 1 by 2 is a number. Suppose 1.5, also 3 by 2 or 1.5 is a number. There are so many numbers, rational numbers, but not continuous. All the irrational numbers, root 2, plus minus root 2, plus minus root 3, the approximate value of root 2 plus root 2 is 1.4, nearly equal to 1.4. So 1.4 means here we can represent a root 2. That means the number line is represented for minus infinity to plus infinity. The set of real numbers is a line, number line. So it is also called as number line. And there are so many sets are there. Next we discuss about even numbers, set of even numbers, set of even numbers. So what are the set of even numbers? All the numbers divisible by 2. If an integer is divisible by 2, so called as even numbers. 0 is a even number, plus 2, minus 2 also even number, plus minus 4, plus minus 6 a even number. A set can be represented in two different methods or can be expressed in two different ways. This is the list form. If we take 2n, so that n belongs to z, so it is set builder form of even numbers. That means set of even numbers can be represented as 2n. 2n is the form of even numbers. Another set is set of odd numbers. Set of odd numbers. That means plus minus 1, plus minus 3, plus minus 5, these are called odd numbers. The set builder form or intention form is 2n plus 1, so that n belongs to z. That means any odd number can be represented as in the form of a 2n plus 1, where n is a integer. So it is the set builder form of odd numbers. There are so many sets are there. Now we discuss about set of prime numbers. Set of prime numbers. So 2 is the first or minimum or least prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, these are called prime numbers. Any natural number has at least two factors. That means divisible by any two numbers, 1 and itself. 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 is also divisible by 2. That means the number 2 has two factors, that there are 1 and 2. Also 3 has two factors, 1 and 3. No other factor are there. That means a number is divisible by 1 or itself, called as prime number. That means it cannot be divisible by any other numbers. But here the prime number belongs to the natural number. Suppose a number 2 has a prime factor or a divisible factor is minus 1. 2 has a prime factor is minus 1, also minus 2, and a 1 and 2. There are 4 factors are there. But here the domain or the field, that means we discuss in the set of natural numbers. A prime number is always a natural number. That means a natural number has two factors, one and itself called as prime number. Set of composite numbers, set of composite numbers. That means 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. The remaining except 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, except 1, 1 is a special number, 2, here is 3, that is 4, 5, 6, 8, the remaining number are called composite numbers. Any natural numbers has more than 2 prime factor called as composite numbers. That means 4 is divisible by 2. So 4 is a composite number. 4 has 1, 2, 4 factors. That means 4 is divisible by 3 numbers, 1, 2, 4. So 4 is a composite number. Thank you all.